Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting advancements in computing, Jupiter, Europe's brand new Exascale supercomputer. And I promise, this is going to blow your mind. We're talking about the first supercomputer in Europe that can perform over 1 quintillion calculations per second. That's 1 followed by 18 zeros. This beast is based at the Jülich Supercomputing Center in Germany, and as of June 2025, it's officially the fastest supercomputer in Europe and 4th in the entire world. But Jupiter isn't just about being fast. It's about transforming science, training next-gen AI, fighting climate change, and even modeling the human brain. If you're curious about cutting-edge technology and the future of computing, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. What is Jupiter? So what exactly is Jupiter? Jupiter stands for Joint Undertaking Pioneer for Innovative and Transformative Exascale Research. Kind of a mouthful, right? But what it really represents is Europe's bold leap into exascale computing. That means it can handle more than 1 exaflop or 1 quintillion floating point operations per second. Jupiter is operated by the Jülich Supercomputing Center in Germany and funded by the EuroHPC Joint Undertaking, together with the German federal and state governments. It's built to supercharge European science, support innovation in AI, and maintain sovereignty in high-performance computing, all while being incredibly energy efficient. How is it built? Jupiter isn't just powerful. It's smartly designed. It's made of 2 main modules. 1, the booster module. This is where most of the raw power comes from. It uses around 24,000 NVIDIA GH200 Grace Hopper superchips connected with a Quantum 2 InfiniBand network. That means crazy fast processing speeds, ideal for simulations and AI training. 2, the cluster module. This one is CPU-based and optimized for traditional high-performance computing tasks. It uses the new Rio 1 ARM-based processors developed by Cyperl, a European chip company. These 2 modules can work independently or together, depending on the task. It's like having a Ferrari and a Tesla in one garage, ready to take on any kind of road. What makes it so fast? Now, let's talk about what makes Jupiter a true beast. 24,000 plus GPUs in the booster, a blazing fast InfiniBand network with over 25,000 endpoints and 100,000 logical ports. More than 21 petabytes of flash storage with insane transfer speeds. 2 terabyte per second write, 3 terabyte per second read. Over 300 petabytes of disk storage and 700 petabytes of tape storage for backups. And if you're wondering about cooling, Jupiter uses a liquid warm water cooling system. Even cooler, the heat it generates is reused to warm nearby buildings on the campus. All of this helps Jupiter achieve more than 60 gigaflops per watt, making it not just one of the most powerful, but also one of the most energy-efficient supercomputers in the world. What can Jupiter do? So what can you actually use all that computing power for? Let's break it down. 1. Climate modeling and weather simulation. With Jupiter, scientists can now simulate weather systems in ultra-high resolution. That means we can better predict extreme events like floods or heat waves, and even simulate the effects of climate change at a local level. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI models keep getting bigger, right? Jupiter can train the largest language models in the world in just days. Something that would take weeks or months on smaller systems. This means faster breakthroughs in natural language processing, autonomous systems, and robotics. 3. Biomedical and brain research. Jupiter can help model complex biological systems. From the folding of proteins to digital twins of human organs, researchers are even working on simulations of parts of the human brain. This could revolutionize everything from personalized medicine to neurological research. 4. Engineering and industry engineers can run highly complex simulations, whether it's about designing cleaner jet engines, better batteries, or more efficient energy grids. All of this accelerates innovation and brings better tech to market faster. Why Europe needs Jupiter? Jupiter isn't just about power. It's about Europe catching up and even leading in the global tech race. For years, the US and China have dominated supercomputing. With Jupiter, Europe now has a seat at the table, and not just any seat, a front row one. It also gives researchers and companies across Europe access to a top-tier resource for AI development, scientific discovery, security and defense, clean energy research. Plus, it helps ensure digital sovereignty, meaning Europe can develop its own critical infrastructure without relying on external tech powers. Cash, early use and research projects. Jupiter has already opened its doors to several early access programs. Over 100 research projects were selected through initiatives like the Exascale Pioneer Call, Gauss Center for Supercomputing AI Competition, EuroHPC Jülich's own research access program. These projects range from climate simulations and earthquake prediction to large-scale AI training and modeling astrophysical phenomena. So the supercomputer isn't just sitting there. It's already changing the game in real time. Green 500 Champion. Oh, and did I mention? Jupiter is ranked number 1 on the Green 500 list. That's a global ranking of the most energy-efficient supercomputers. Thanks to its cutting-edge cooling system and power-efficient chip design, Jupiter proves that performance doesn't have to come at the cost of sustainability. It's computing at its best and greenest. Hash, the human-AI connection. One of the most exciting parts of Jupiter is how it connects to future AI systems. With exascale power, Europe can now support training massive AI models, running multi-agent simulations, and even powering brain-inspired computing. Imagine AI models that are more ethical, explainable, and aligned with human values. Jupiter could be the hardware foundation that makes this possible. What's next? Jupiter is just the beginning. Europe is already planning even more powerful systems in the years ahead, all aimed at keeping the continent competitive, secure, and scientifically advanced. In the next few years, we'll see even greater collaborations between academic institutions, startups, and government research, all using Jupiter to solve problems once considered impossible. So keep your eyes on this machine. It's not just crunching numbers. It's shaping the future. Alright friends, that's a wrap on today's deep dive into Jupiter, Europe's fastest and greenest supercomputer. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content every week. And let me know in the comments, what would you use a supercomputer like Jupiter for? Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.